I think this soundtrack would probably be a younger soundtrack coming from me. And I really enjoyed working with Abbas Taiwala in this film. And happy to be again associated with Amir Khan Productions. And we had a lot of fun doing this film.
Any particular song you're fond of?
Sorry guys, just a photo
Yeah.
op and I'll get him back.
Okay.
In this,
Emma, एक minute.
this film has a introduction from our side, a new singer come from the UK called Rashid Ali. He was once a guitarist for me and he's got a beautiful voice, and I'm glad the people are liking the song Kabhi Kabhi already, and he's also signed for my company K Music as the first artist.
रहमान कोई पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग जो फिर से ऐसा लगे कि रहमान सॉन्ग है ये हम करना चाहिए सबको फॉर द यंगस्टर्स.
The youngsters are supposed to find which song it is because it's our duty to give the songs. They pick the songs. I think there are a couple of songs which might become like that, and I hope it becomes.
Any song you are hooked?
I'm waiting for the public reaction.
And Rahman, what is interesting is that a lot of new voices. I mean, the whole album is almost none of the very big, names. It's all the new faces. Why is it so? Is it intentional or you're promoting new talent? Why is it so?
Well, we did a couple of songs with very popular singers, but unfortunately the script had changed by then, and the priorities changed, and so the director didn't use those songs. So we left with the songs we have now.
Mr. Amir Khan is known to be a perfectionist who generally kind of gives his inputs into the work. Was there any time while you were composing music where he came into the picture where
No, I think we had finished the music by. I worked with the director mostly for this film, for the music, and Amir was a very good producer, just giving encouragement.
so nowhere at no point you were
Amir definitely he liked the songs before the film was with another producer, and it was taken over by Amir, and he loved the songs by then.
Thank you so much.
This is the first time I'm working with Abbas as a lyricist also, and I think he knows what he wants, so he's written the lyrics, and most of them complement the music beautifully.